Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Branchini and I'm running for 2020 C.A.R. Treasurer. I'm looking forward to seeing you in Long Beach. I'm especially excited to invite you to jumpstart your day with me. I'm hosting Java with Jen Wednesday morning at the Hyatt Regency Rotunda Room. It's on the lower level to the right of the escalators. Please come by and connect with me anytime between 7 and 8:30 a.m. Grab a cup of coffee or tea before you head out for your meetings. The event is part of my statewide outreach tour. I've already met many of you in your home regions, and I've enjoyed listening to what you want and need from C.A.R. today and in the future. I've also appreciated the opportunity to share my story with you. If I haven't made it to your region yet, please reach out to me at 925-577-6113. I would love to meet with you and your region in the coming months. Connecting with members is a key component to my campaign pillars, vision, voice, and value, and it's the part I've enjoyed the most. One of my strengths is the ability to really listen to what people are saying, absorb what's happening, and then form and implement a shared vision for the future. It's a big reason why I want to serve as your 2020 treasurer. As I continue my listening tour, I'm looking forward to learning more about you and you having a chance to get to know me. In the meantime, please take a few moments to check out my website, jenfortreasurer.com, where you can learn a little bit more about me and my message. You can also see where I'm heading next as I travel around the state to connect with our members. See you in Long Beach.